sobrang honored kami that we were a part of that, part of their career, that point
Yeah.
in their career. And if they are changing now in terms of sound, that's really healthy and that's really good because, there's no way to stay in there, but to keep up. And it's good to innovate, keep innovating, share new sound. Kasi people, we think, ito lang sila. And the music that we produced before, ang yung paligoy-ligoy nga, hindi ko akalain na magva-viral ulit.
Oo.
And that was more than, 10 years ago?
Right, right.
So, parang, nung mga time na yon, ang sabi sa music namin, ang taas, diyan magugustuhan ng masa. I truly don't believe that because Filipinos are talagang malalim na mga musikero.
Yes.
Marami tayong magaling na musicians. And around those times, there are a lot of undiscovered talent. Pati sa songwriting, sa producing ng mga kanta, ganyan. So, sabi ko, I don't believe that. Kaya yung mga kanta na yun, sabi ko, okay, so it's good na people can hear those things.